just really bumpy all over the place, very weak. Like it just didn't let you like do anything on it.
Oh, it was pretty bad, to be honest. There weren't a lot of opportunities. It was kind of fat and small. You just have to stay busy, because if you stop catching waves, you'll get sucked out to sea by a rip or something. So just try to keep catching waves and move around the place. Like, catch a wave, come up, go somewhere else, get another one, and just try and get lucky.
And that's just what Georgie has been doing in her semi-final. And it's paying off.
I was kind of nervous. The heat went all right. I came second in my heat, so I am through to the final now.
And Ruby too, and it's also paying off for her.
Like, I don't think everyone was catching that many waves, so I think I just caught the most waves and, yeah, just did what I could with them. I'm just happy to make it through to the final.
It didn't go great. I couldn't really find any waves. Everyone else was just seeming to get waves, and it just didn't go my way.
Green, you needed 2.18 to move into second, or a 4.5 to take first.
The very end, this right-hander came in, so I just paddled as hard as I could, and I just got like 2 cutbacks, which managed to put me in second place. Thought that I was in second place for most of the heat, but I was in third up to that final wave, so I'm really glad that I managed to find it.
In third place, Sky Satellite.
It was me and Sky were kind of against each other. We were both neck and neck.
In second place, Harry Reeves. And in first place, David Fanning.
But I won the first day.
David may have won the battle, but over the first 2 events, Sky has accumulated more points and stays ahead, but only just.
In fourth place is Pádraig McSharry. In third place, Alfie Corcoran. In second place, Rory Murphy. And in first place, Joshua Carvis.
Tomorrow matters a lot. I have to beat Alfie and get to the final again if I want to get on the Euros.
Alfie's in 4th, so I'm in joint 2nd with Pádraig, so I need to be in the top 3. Tomorrow anything could happen. I could or couldn't make the team.
Under 16 girls, in fourth place, Georgie Herterich. In third place, Ruby Fanning. In second place, Quiva Skinner-Sim. And in first place, Maria Butler.
Like, I don't want to blame the waves because we were all surfing the same waves, but like, it's, you know, not looking too good for me. Unless like, I miraculously win tomorrow. That's probably the only way I can make it.
In spite of finishing 4th today, Georgie is hanging on by her fingernails in 5th place. And by contrast, Evelyn was looking pretty solid in the under-18 girls, as well as the longboard category.
I actually thought I was doing really bad. Kind of thought I lost, honestly.
Tom and Oscar are dominating the under-18 boys. Day 1 proper shook things up. Nobody was safe yet. Well, except maybe Josh. That night, I don't think anyone was sleeping properly. Tomorrow will be the last chance to make the team. Going into day 2, Josh was basically safe. Rory and Pádraig could go either way. And for Georgie, only a miracle would work. Everyone else was somewhere in between.